My favorite thing in the world is to birdwatch. I don't enjoy going outdoors to go hang out and do things like going to a bar or going to the movies. I can watch movies at home, but I'd rather go bird watching. Bird watching to me is the most calmest thing you could do outside of crocheting. So I should definitely try crocheting and bird watching at the same time. I usually stay indoors, but this is me bird watching in Italy and a little bit in the United States as well. But these are all the beautiful images. Look at all these birds. In America, I learned that most of the birds who follow this kind of pattern of swimming more like an ocean are like in the swallow group. I'm not sure what these birds are because I am in Italy and I didn't study what kind of birds that are native to Italy, but maybe they're a type of swallows as well. But here they are. Like, this is the ocean in the air.